The ship, called DDG-1001, is now 99% complete and recently completed acceptance trials in early February. Hull, mechanical and electrical delivery is slated for April 24th as a key step toward ultimately reaching operational status, according to information provided April 10th at the Navy's annual Sea Aerospace Symposium by Captain Kevin Smith, Zumwalt Program Manager. The upcoming HM&E delivery follows Navy reports of successful acceptance trials for DDG-1001, during which the ship tested power propulsion systems and high-speed turns while also assessing the HM&E engineering systems, according to a statement from General Dynamics Bath Iron Works. Much like the lead Zumwalt-class ship, the second is envisioned as a stealthy, multi-mission land and blue water attack platform armed with long-range precision fires, a wide range of offensive and defensive missiles, faster computer processing speed and an electric drive integrated propulsion system with 78 megawatts of onboard electrical power. Using the same technical baseline, ship specs and weapon system as the first Zumwalt, the Monsor is being engineered with a computer system specifically designed to accommodate software upgrades as new technologies emerge. The ship computer, called Total Ship Computing Environment, integrates many of the ship's systems such as its radar, weapons and propulsion apparatus. Software upgrades impacting radar, fire control and some weapons areas represent some potential margins of difference, making the ships more advanced. Accordingly, both the first and second Zumwalt will likely have some new systems by the time the Monsor sets sail, Navy Program Manager said earlier this year. Navy developers say the service has been leveraging lessons learned during the construction of the USS Zumwalt, which did experience some delays with some equipment and technology integration. In particular, the scaffolding on the ship's composite deck and antenna integration presented some challenges. Meanwhile, the third-in-class Zumwalt, the future USS Lyndon B. Johnson, is now 74% complete and completing hull integration, officials said. The third Zumwalt's deck house, which unlike the first two ships built with composites, it made out of steel. Navy developers say they are now working on the ship at a land-level transfer facility and plan to put the ship in the water in a year or so. The three-ship Zumwalt fleet is likely to be in great demand in coming years as new threats emerge which present a need for its unique technologies. Given its stealthy configuration, it seems plausible that a Zumwalt-class ship could lead an assault or help launch a broader attack by virtue of an ability to strike while avoiding detection. Also, in a manner quite similar to the current fleet of DDG-51 destroyers, a Zumwalt will almost certainly help protect a carrier strike group. Drawing upon its stealthy configuration, a Zumwalt destroyer might be well positioned to test or penetrate blue water enemy defenses without necessarily surrendering the location of a carrier group. If radar, aerial ISR or onboard MH-60Rs and fire scout drone assets detect long-range threats or areas of incoming enemy fire, the Zumwalt could very well be called upon as a launching point for a counterattack. With its long-range precision gunfire technology, a Zumwalt could perhaps be successful in attacking more fortified enemy land targets without itself being as susceptible to land-based sensors and anti-ship missiles. The concept with the Zumwalt's long-range land attack projectile, or LRLAP, is to bring offensive precision and firepower well beyond the range of today's unguided, deck-mounted 5-inch guns. Furthermore, given its low radar signature, it might not seem like too much of a mission stretch to envision a Zumwalt-class destroyer as an element of an amphibious assault. Advanced onboard sensors could connect with drones and other ISR assets to help orient an approaching amphibious-ready group as to the best methods or locations of attack.